guys, today I'll show you how to make your own emoji, but first step you have to make sure you're updated to like the iOS, I think 18.1 update. And also you could do it, I don't think you could do it on a computer, but you could do it on iPad, and a phone, but only works on Apple stuff, like in Apple phones and Apple iPads. So yeah. So first you can go to TikTok and look up. So you're gonna wanna look up. I'm going on Pinterest. You're gonna wanna look up what's it called? iOS 18 emoji stickers. And then I only know how to do it on Pinterest, but not on TikTok. You could look up a tutorial on TikTok though. Okay, and then you download the image that you want. Well, actually, I kind of want a little seal. Download this. Now go to your photos. I want to do that, and then there we go. Add sticker, and then send it to someone. I'm just sending it to Mama. Add stickers. And then, oops, there you go. Okay, that's it. Bye-bye.